Let's include a custom logo to our chat application. Of course, you know that this thing and this thing are the logos that are by default included. And if you want to include your own logo, for example this thing right here in your chatbot application, you can do this relatively simple. Everything that we need to do is to come to GitHub and we open up a new repo. We give this repo a name. Let's just call it Fluid. This can be public or private, it does not really matter to me. And everything else is fine, so I simply press create repository. Then we simply press create a new file. I just call it readme.md and I insert this fluid, so this is just that we have something included. And then we press commit changes and commit. Now we can press add file and we can also upload files, so we press right here. And here we can drag and drop this in this repository, so I simply drag and drop this right here in it. And once again commit changes. Right now in our repo is simply the readme and the screenshot, and we can simply press on the screenshot. Here we have this file, and as soon as we are in this repo we can press on it. We simply want to copy this address. We throw it in a new tab in order to see if this is working, so I send it out, and there we have our picture. And this link, we can simply include this link. So we can come back, for example, to our code, and we can insert this code however you want. I just wanted to have my link right here, so in this code snippet. So you see I have deleted this old LangChain logo, and here was the link of the LangChain logo, but right now I insert simply this link, and I press run, and reload it also once again. Now I can open up this thing, start chatting, and there you see, right now we have the logo of our client, so this is perfect. And by the way, I also used the auto open at false. Previously this was a true, but the client does not like this. So right now everything is perfect. And of course we can also change this thing down here. So let's just see if we simply copy this file, throw it in here, you see we have this chat message. And if you do not want to have this chat message, of course, you can come back here and copy also this. Come back in your application, you can delete this thing down here. Insert also here your new icon, press run, reload it. And then down here we also have this thing included, but I personally am not sure if I really like this or not. So we could also delete it, but yeah, let's just keep it and ask my client what he thinks is better for him. And on the client webpage, right now it looks something like this. We have this Ether doc, we have the logo included. If I make it big, I also have here and here the logo included. So I think this is a great application. And by the way, I also have included something that if people type in a lot of text, that this field gets a little bit bigger. So you see, if I type in text and text and text, this field starts to get bigger. And I have done this simply with ChatGPT. I just told ChatGPT, here is my code, make the text field grow bigger as soon as people type stuff in. And ChatGPT gave me the exact same code snippet. So I have included the snippet here and saved my settings. And right now the chatbot is perfect, it behaves how it should behave, it has the branding, how it should be branded, and I think the client is happy right now.